Hello student, today we are start our next terpenoid is camphor. The camphor, occurrence of camphor. The camphor, although very important, is not very distributed in nature, and the main source is Cinnamomum camphora, the camphora tree, which is extensively found in the Formosa. In this tree, although camphor is present in all parts, the highest proportion is in the trunk. Third point is the camphor is the most important constituent of the oil of camphor. The properties: camphor forms a colorless transparent mass of characteristics smell and burning taste. Second, the melting point of camphor is 179 degrees Celsius. Third, the boiling point of camphor is 204 degrees Celsius. Next point is it is optically active compound. The camphor is mainly used as plasticizer for the production of celluloids and photographic films, for smokeless powder and explosive, and also for the medical purpose. The last point is it is also used as an insect repellent. This is the structure of camphor. Camphor contains one oxygen atom. This is the structure of camphor. Then next point is the constitution of camphor. The first point, the molecular formula of camphor is C10H16O. In camphor contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It means that the camphor is the terpenoid. It contains 10 number of carbon atom. It means that it contains 2 isoprene unit, and because of its contain 2 isoprene unit, it belong to class of the monoterpenoid, and it joined to as head to tail linkage. Then next point is the camphor react with hydroxylamine hydrochloride, and it forms the oxime and hydrochloride. This reaction shows that the camphor has one carbonyl group. Then next point is the camphor on a distillation with zinc chloride or phosphorus pentoxide, it gives the paracymene. This reaction shows that in camphor one ring is 6-member ring, and is also show that camphor has paracymene skeleton. The methyl and isopropyl group, methyl and this is the isopropyl group, is at the para position to each other. Then next reaction is camphor on a distillation with the iodine forms the carvacrol. This reaction shows that the presence of phenolic group is carvacrol, suggests the presence of ketonic group in the carbon. Then next reaction is the camphor is oxidized by the nitric acid into the camphoric acid known as the dicarboxylic acid. The molecular formula of camphoric acid is C10H16O4, and subsequently into the camphoronic acid. After a long treatment in the presence of HNO3, it gives the camphoronic acid. The molecular formula is C9H14O6. It is also called as the tricarboxylic acid. Thus, for elucidating the structure of camphor, we must first know the structure of its oxidative degraded product, that is camphoric acid and camphoronic acid. This is the structural formula of the camphoronic acid, and this is the structural formula of the camphoric acid. Camphoric acid is the dicarboxylic acid, and camphoronic acid is the tricarboxylic acid. Then constitution of camphoronic acid. The molecular formula of camphoronic acid is C9H14O6. Second point, the camphoronic acid is found to be a saturated tricarboxylic acid. Third, the camphoronic acid must be acyclic. Last point, since camphoronic acid is not easily decarboxylated under the ordinary condition, its 3 carboxylic groups are attached to 3 different carbon atoms. The 3 different carbon atoms and 3 acidic groups are attached to the 3 different carbon atoms. This is the structure of camphoronic acid. Then next point is the synthesis of camphoronic acid. Synthesis of camphoronic acid. The broad structure for camphoronic acid is proved by its synthesis, the Perkin Jr. and the Thorpe in 1897. This is the starting material. It gives the hydrogen and iodide, gives the byproduct hydrogen iodide, and this methyl group is attached to this carbon atom and form this compound. Then in next step, this CO double bond, then this electron move on oxygen atom. ZnBr is partial positive charge and CH2 COO C2H5 gives the partial negative charge. Then ZnBr is attached to the oxygen atom and methyl ethyl ester is attached to the carbon atom. Then next step, in the presence of acid, then O negative is move on this carbon atom and formation of OH group. And then in the next step, first in the presence of PCl5, then first OH is converted to the Cl group. Then next in the presence of KCN, then Cl is converted to the CN group, means cyanide group. And last, in the presence of acid hydrolysis, this cyanide group is converted into the acidic group, COOH group, and this ester group is converted to the acidic group, and this ester group converted to the acidic group 1, 2 and 3. This is the compound of camphoronic acid. Then next point is the constitution of camphoric acid. The molecular formula of camphoric acid is C10H16O4. The camphoric acid is found to be a saturated dicarboxylic acid. Third, in saturated parent hydrocarbon suggests that the camphoric acid is a cyclopentane dicarboxylic acid. Fourth point is the camphoric acid forms the monoester very easily but diester with some difficulty, indicating that the two carboxylic groups are not similar, that is, one is primary or secondary and the other is the tertiary. The next point is the synthesis of camphoric acid. The above structure for the camphoric acid is proved by its synthesis Kopma in 1903. When 3,3-dimethyl glutaric acid is reacted with diethyl ester in the presence of sodium ethoxide, it gives diketo apocamphoric ester. When this H atom and this H atom is react and two molecules of ethyl alcohol is removed and other is attached to the carbon atom and form the diketo-apocamphoric ester. Then in next step, diketo-camphoric ester is react with the sodium amalgam, then ketone group is converted into the alcoholic group. Then in next step, in the presence of sodium hydroxide, then these two ethyl ester group is converted, ethyl is removed and ester group is converted into the acidic group. Then it in the presence of the HI, this OH group is reduced and formation of the double bond. Then in next step, this compound is react with the HBr, then Br is attached to this carbon atom and to this carbon atom. Then this compound is react in the presence of Zn in acetic acid, it gives the camphoric acid. When ZnBr is removed and camphoric acid is formed. Then last synthesis is the synthesis of camphor. When camphoric acid is react with anhydride, it gives the camphoric anhydride. The H2O molecule is removed. H2O molecule is removed and formation of the camphoric anhydride. Then in next step, the camphoric anhydride is react with sodium amalgam, then this carbonyl group is reduced and formation of the CH2 group and form the alpha campholydi. Then in next step, it react with in the presence of potassium cyanide. When this is removed in oxygen, then K positive and Cn negative. When potassium is attached to this ester group and cyanide is attached to the methyl group. Then in next step, the hydrolysis step, it gives the homocamphoric acid. This COOK and CH2Cn group is converted into the acidic group. In last step, when homocamphoric acid is hit with the calcium salt, then first is reduce the CO2. Is reduce the CO2 and then next is reduce the H2O and form this carbonyl group. This is the molecule of camphor and this is the total synthesis of the camphor. Camphor present the 6-member ring, 1 methyl group and 1 carbonyl group. This is the molecule of camphor.